I'm originally from Mexico City. That's where I grew up. And I came to St. Mary's University to study through a soccer scholarship. And that's how we met. And I attribute a lot of my success to Daniela. We finished our undergraduate degrees, and then we went straight through and pursued a master's degree, an MBA. And then our goal was to
get married right after we finished. So we actually got married a week after we graduated from our MBAs. When Manuel made the decision of starting the PhD, we at that time we were both working in one of the best companies, AT&T. We were earning, wonderful salaries. We were corporate managers. We were kind of headed towards the top. But we both at the same time kind of made a decision to change our path. I think it's the day you told me you got accepted. And we were walking to lunch because we worked together, so we would go to lunch together. And we were walking out in the sidewalk, and he said, I was accepted. And I do remember thinking, oh my gosh, I'm pregnant. We had our first boy, our son, and I decided to be a stay-at-home mom at that point. So we went from earning 2 salaries to being students.
The KPMG scholarship was really useful, really great. I mean, we always talk about it. Everywhere we go, we talk about KPMG and how generous it's been, not just through the scholarship, but everything else that they do, to support the PhD studies. It's wonderful.